Hello learner, this is Teacher Nolly from Bayuk National High School. Welcome to another session of Programming 2.
In this video, we will be discussing the different errors in Excel VBA and ways on how to solve them. In general, there are three types of errors in VBA. We have the syntax error, compile error, and runtime error. Let's take a look on some examples. As you can see in this program, there are some codes which are coded red. This means that there is an error in the program. What could it be? Yes, a quotation mark at the beginning of the word hello is missing. When you run the program, you will notice a notification from Excel VBA saying that there is a syntax error on that line. Syntax error means that there are errors involving punctuation marks. You will know that there is a syntax error when a line of code turns red. In the example earlier, some codes are in red, while in this one, there is none. But when we run this code, Excel will notify us that this code has a compile error. What's good about this notification is that it tells us where the error is and what should be done. In this case, the keyword sub is missing at the end of our code. Compile errors are typically like this. They involve misspelled or missing keywords. This code has no error. It displays the word hello in the cell A1, like what the programmer intended it to be. But what do you think will happen if we change the A1 in the code to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? After changing A1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the program do not run anymore. Instead, Excel notifies us that there is a runtime error in our program. This can occur when there are no syntax error and compile error, yet the program won't work. This is due to the impossibility of the program. In this case, the cell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 which we put in our code simply doesn't exist in Excel. If we have errors in VBA, we also have debugging techniques which we can use to easily fix our programs. We have the step into, breakpoint, and debugging toolbar. First, we have the step into technique. To use it, simply click debug and select step into. You can also use the shortcut F8. Let's see what this debugging technique can do. You can use step into technique when you want to review the result of each line of your code. As you can see, Excel is displaying the text, name, age, and gender one by one as a result of using step into. Second, we have the breakpoint technique. To use it, simply click debug and select toggle breakpoint. You can also use the shortcut key F9 or just click the left side of the code. Let's see what this debugging technique can do. Breakpoint can be used to set up stopping points or points where we want our program to stop. If for instance, we want to stop the program from displaying the text age, we'll put a breakpoint in that line of code. As you can see, when we run our code, the text age doesn't show anymore because the program stops on that point. Lastly, we have the debugging toolbar. You can access it by right-clicking on top of the editor, then selecting Debug. The use of debugging toolbar is simple. It provides quick access to debugging functions such as toggle breakpoint and step into. In this video, you have learned the types of errors and debugging techniques in VBA.
And that ends our lesson for today. See you on our next video. Keep safe.